My dear student, today we are going with the types of cloud computing. In the previous video we have gone with the models of cloud computing and the definition of cloud computing. Now I am going with the types of cloud computing. So let me start with the types of cloud. There are basically three types of cloud computing: public, private and hybrid. In the public cloud computing, what you will be seeing here, you can be accessed from anywhere, any data, and it will be publicly managed through the internet and shared across multiple users. Public cloud are more efficient because as it is not more so expensive rather than the private and hybrid cloud solution, but it is very cheaper than that. Example of that is Amazon, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. This is how the figure from the figure only you can understand, you can access, the computer can access your mobile, your other laptops, other part of that things can access any data from it. It will be available publicly to get access. Simple example is one of your YouTube channel. Now next is private cloud computing. In the private cloud computing, it is giving the authorized to the authorized person whom he is giving the most probably it will be giving the authorization, and it is most probably in the form for the public for the organization, most probably company who does not want to share any of its information outside. So this type of company use the private cloud computing, and it is protected in the form of firewall, most probably because it is in the it is going with the internet service, so it is provided with the firewall. Private cloud solutions are preferred for enhanced security and privacy by the user. So it is giving only authorization to the person or the people who he or she says that it is reliable for them and they can exchange the data. This is one of the things. Next is hybrid cloud. It is the collaboration between of public and private elements. Combination is there, and it communicates over the encryption. Means encryption is nothing but, we all know encryption is means a certain type of word, it will be breaked up in a coding form and it will be enhanced and shared to the other parts, and then they have to break that code form again to the textual form. This is one of the things, so connection, and allow for the portability of data applications. Hybrid cloud allow greater flexibility as compared to the public and private. मीन्स यहाँ पे आप क्या करने वाले, आपकी जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है बहुत आसानी से, क्योंकि ये हैज़ इट इज़ अ कम्बिनेशन है ना बहुत पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट का, तो इससे फ़ायदा है कि सोल्यूशन बहुत ईजिली आपको फ्लेक्सिबल है, कभी भी आप अपने बेस से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. सिंपल एग्जांपल एक फिगर दिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पे आप एक ब्रिज मेंटेन हुआ है, प्राइवेट पब्लिक है. पब्लिक तो everyone can see, but private only. So if he or she give a connection, it will be having a combination of bridge between them, and then they can share the resources. This is how they work out, and this is how the workload is worked out. Next is their features. That is the benefit of computing. First is the cost saving. It having as it is not so expensive, and you can store the data anywhere in the and it will be available for, that's why it's cost saving. Reliable, has the cloud companies are more reliable than the in-house IT infrastructure. Mobility, anywhere, anytime you can access your data. These three benefits of cloud computing. Hope you understand. So Jazakallah my dear friends and my students, please go through this video and make a note of that. Jazakallah.